Good morning, traders. Today's Wednesday at around 8:17 in the morning. We had a huge gap up in the futures, up 31 points, a little over 2.5%. So we broke over this key 1219 pivot level, and now it looks like that we're going to consolidate around this and eventually head up to the 1234, which is the Fibonacci retracement. Let me pull over the intraday chart. Check this out. As soon as China let out that news, the market just started rallying hard. NASDAQ futures are up around 53 points right now. And crude oil, talks of the day. Check this move out, guys. It didn't even hesitate at the $100 level this time. It just broke right through it. What's that tell you? Well, to me, it just seems like this is it for crude. I feel that it's going to have another leg up, and the next level we're looking for is 102.73. I get angry when I see crude oil rally. One, because I'm not in it right now, but two, it's hurting us consumers. If you're not a millionaire or don't have a lot of money, it's hard when you're going to the pump. At least in Florida, I'm paying $4 a gallon for diesel right now. I drove to the store and back yesterday, and it cost me $15 in gas. So what we're going to do is just continue to try to trade this to the upside as soon as it shows us a little strength. Gold is up to $17.35 this morning, trading up about $16.90, almost 17 points, 1%. Big move, hitting a high of $17.42. And over here looking at a daily chart, this is looking really good actually. After we broke above this high from 3 days ago, I started getting interested. GLD is a great tool to trade this if you can't afford the gold futures contract, or if you don't like if you can't afford the futures contract. Some people just don't like trading the minis. So I know a lot of people that save up their money and keep making good trades so they'll be able to trade the big contract. Why is that? Well, the volume is a lot greater with the big contract in the minis. But you can still make money off the minis. Anyways, a couple stocks that I'm watching today. First one is PWER. And if you traders are subscribers of my video, you know I usually don't trade small stocks, at least when I left off. Now I'm beginning to trade them a lot more. Usually it's for shorts. But in this case, I've shorted everything out of this stock. I got short at 524, and I covered all the way down at 474, which was right here. I missed out on all this, but it's alright. I'm not greedy here. I'm just trying to make a consistent living on my trades. So anyways, this 406 level, which was this low dating back from the 3rd of October, is looking pretty enticing. This morning we're gapping up slightly in the PWER to $4, and I want to pull the intraday chart up just to show you what I'm looking for. Okay, so if we could hold over this 402, I wouldn't be surprised if within the next day or two we could get a move at least back up to 435 to 450. So I will be taking a long on this if the opportunity comes my way. Alright, so the next stock I'm looking at for a short is symbol CAST. As you can read the headline of the news article, basically they're questioning the company's SEC filings. I guess some analysts or research firms questioning it. So obviously they've done their homework, else they wouldn't be making a statement like that. That tells me that there could be some more downside in this. And just from looking yesterday, there was 4,100 puts compared to around 1,000 calls. And I believe that was a high number. So we're going to go ahead and look for maybe a short today. Looking for some decent levels here on the daily chart. You see this uptrend. And we broke that yesterday. You see the 20 period moving average right around 447. So we closed at 480. If we could get a move back down to 450, that would be fine with me. 30 cents on a $4 stock isn't a bad return. Looking at Ross Stores, and what we see here is a decline in earnings over the last 3 quarters. Usually when I see that, I'll start doing a lot more intensive research on the balance sheet, possibly looking for a short. Now I caught a little bit of this short right here during this area for scalps, but right now we bounced beautifully off the 50-day moving average at 84.82. It's back above the 20. They are a discount retailer. I was over by Ross Stores on Black Friday in my area, and it was literally swamped. You couldn't even walk in the door. There was line probably about a quarter mile down the road. So I think that they'll do well, especially that the economy still hasn't recovered. Ross, these dollar stores, I think they'll be a good bet. And the last one I'm going to show you is the stock symbol ROVI. From what I do know, we see this huge gap down. Obviously, they came short of consensus estimates. And then my alert was set right here, right below. It was around 27.37. That's something I follow. And the reason I set it there is when I'm trading a gap in stock, I want to see a breakthrough the first daily bar low, which we did here. We got to close, and then once we break through that, that's when I really start to get interested. You know, it's a good short. So right now, pretty much, if we're holding below 28, you could probably short on any rally. Over 28, I have to say just wait it out, let it consolidate, and see if it moves lower or maybe makes a trend line. So anyways, that's it. Good luck trading today, and I will get you a day trading video out, hopefully on some of these ideas that I've shared with you.